Hello Philippines, good day to all and good evening. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest weather analysis for this Tuesday through Friday, November 26, 29, 2024. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. It looks like everything is quiet after the past 2 months of back-to-back systems, very tiring months, okay? But right now we are in the quiet mode, okay? Quiet storm, when we speak of the music, okay? So we are now on the relax mode, but within the next 1 week, we are going to observe a possibility of a very weak system forming to the east of Mindanao, and this is likely during the weekend as we move into December 1st. Okay, but first, before we discuss that system, let's take a look first of the latest 48-hour graphical satellite analysis from Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. And right now, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon digging down across Cagayan Valley region and Ilocos provinces. That will persist through Thursday. And strong winds of up to 60 kph with some passing occasional showers will be expected across these areas. The risk of flooding and landslides will remain low to medium. The coastal waters here will be rough and dangerous, small sea crafts up to 3 meters. And across the Philippine Islands, light to moderate northeasterly wind flow, plus some light easterlies over the eastern sections of Mindanao, which could produce some showers. As of this evening, there are some showers moving across eastern Mindanao. Down to the south, we will be having some thunderstorms and rain showers over southern Mindanao and offshore Bangsamoro because of the near equatorial trough. We have here a couple of tropical waves not expected to intensify. A broken IDCZ can be observed here over Palau and south of Yap, and another one here over the eastern Micronesia and through the Marshall Islands. And there is a possibility of a system forming here this coming weekend based on the American and the European model, although the American model is too aggressive, developing it into a active LPA or even a weak tropical depression moving across eastern Visayas, but it's not yet highly probable because of most of the computer models doesn't say anything about it, okay? And so for this week, there's still no developing tropical cyclones or active LPA, but we are going to focus for the possibility of a low pressure system or a shallow one, a very weak system forming here to the east of Mindanao this coming weekend. But most of the computer models consider it as a weak or a shallow one, or even as a surface trough or a tropical wave. And we have here a tropical wave, but it's starting to wane down. And there's another one here forming, okay, and it's not yet expected to intensify. Here's the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com UMEDSAT, and the winds right now is from the northeast and east. Nothing unusual. There's a developing thunderstorms here, okay, bringing some showers across the eastern sections of Davao region and the near equatorial trough somewhere here. And if we take a look at the latest wind forecast for the next 3 to 5 days, we will extend this until December 4 and 5 just to show it to you. what will be in store. So today until Thursday, we have the northeast monsoon affecting northern Luzon, the extreme northern parts of Luzon, and some light northeasterly winds over Bicol, Visayas, and on Friday there will be a converging system here, part of a surface trough or a tropical wave, which is likely to become a shallow LPA on Saturday evening near the east coast of northern Caraga, east of Siargao and Dinagat Islands. And as we enter December 1st or December 1, that system or this potential shallow LPA or a surface trough or a tropical wave is expected to traverse eastern Visayas, Leyte and Samar provinces. Then we have the northeast monsoon, just a small portion of the northeast monsoon affecting the coastal waters of the Bicol region. So it will be busy on Saturday and Sunday based on the European model. And moving into December 2, this system might generate some thunderstorms. I'm going to show it to you later on. And December 3 to December 5, we'll be having a shear line here, stationary to the east of Pulillo. And if we take a look at the American model, it's somewhat a strong low pressure system here forming east of Surigao del Sur. Then Saturday it will become a maybe a moderate or an active LPA. Then on December 1 early morning, it says that it could become a strong LPA or a weak tropical depression on December 1, but it's not yet sure. Okay, that's only one model saying it, the American model. It's always like that. Okay, we are waiting for the other computer models, but so far we are going to observe that this coming weekend. And as we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, so let's move and take a look at the European model, since they are the leader when it comes to the rain forecast. So on Wednesday or tomorrow, we expect here occasional monsoon rains due to the northeast monsoon, amihan, across the coastal areas of Cagayan Valley. Then on Thursday, there might be some rain showers and thunderstorms also here across eastern Visayas and northern parts of Panay, northern Negros. Northeast monsoon continues across parts of Cagayan Valley. Then Friday, we have here the northeasterly wind flow. Okay, so there might be some showers here across Palawan and the eastern sections of Caraga, as well as the eastern sections of eastern Luzon. So that's the forecast. Okay, and if we're going to move it into Saturday to Sunday, here's the possible development of a shear line or the northeast monsoon affecting the coastal waters of Bicol region, Partido district, and the eastern sections of Albay. So that will be on Saturday to Sunday, November 30th to December 1. So there might be some showers or thunderstorms because of the possible shear line, northeast monsoon, or a low pressure system forming here to the east of Visayas. So it's too early to confirm this, since we're still 5 days to go. We will keep you updated in the coming days if this will push through. As for the wave forecast, it looks like for the rest of the week, the Philippine Sea, west and the east of the Philippine Sea will remain moderate to rough and dangerous to small sea crafts. You can see it here. The northeast monsoon are generating 3 to 4 meters of wave heights across the western and eastern sections of the Philippine Sea. If you're on the inland waters like Sulu Archipelago, Visayan Sea, Burias, along the Burias Island area, the Gai Gulf, it will remain light to moderate, roughly up to about 1 meter in wave heights. But if you're facing all the seas, okay, all the seas east and west of Luzon and east of Samar, as well as west of Palawan, including the Calayan Island group, it will be moderate to rough and dangerous to small sea crafts, as we are now entering the time of the northeast monsoon. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Tuesday evening. We'll keep you updated, and when we return, probably on Friday, we will be issuing another update. Let's hope that possible convergence east of Mindanao will not become an active LPA. There is a possibility it could become a very weak LPA or shallow LPA. So we will going to observe that it will interact with the developing northeast monsoon and possible shear line east of the Bicol region. So we'll see you again this coming Friday. This is Mike Padua. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.